Now I am going to discuss more examples on packages in this video. Write a program to calculate factorial of a number. Using packages. Factorial of a number using package. First of all, we have to edit. Suppose name of the class is fact.java. Then within the fact.java, create the package. Suppose package name is package. Then package, suppose 8. You can write any package name. I'm making a package 8. So this is the package 8. Now within the package, public class name is example 8. Public class is the class name is example 8. Now within the example 8, there is a function public, that is the Java method public long int factorial. Suppose name of the function is factorial, and the parameter is integer, suppose integer n, and within the factorial function there is a variable declaration public int, suppose I is required. We need a variable f that is assigned as 1, and there is a for loop for I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, then f equal to f into I, and this is the end of the for loop. Then return the value of f is 1, that is f is actually long int, so assign this one separately. I assigned public long int because the return value is long int, so we need to assign the variable public long int f equal to 1. Declare this public long int f and assign the value is 1. Public long int I is an integer, so there is another data type long int, f is long int because return value is long int. Now return f is the return value, f is long int, so return the this is the end of the factorial method, this is the end of the class. And after the compilation and run, you can create another package. Suppose this is the name of the another class, and name of the is example is edit. This is the name is suppose example 9.java. Here actually edit not fact.java. This is an example 8.java. This is the actual name is example 8.java, not fact, because name of the class is the name of the program, that is example 8.java, that is the example 8. Now there is example 9.java, is another program. Within this package there is a package, and package name is suppose package 9. So name of the package is package 9. After the package 9, then package 9 and public class suppose class is public class, then the name of the class is example 9, and we need to import the package 8. So import, there is a statement import package 8 dot star mean all. Just write import package 8 dot star. This package will be imported in our example 9.java program. Now there is a public static void main. This is another program, okay, where we can use the package of 8 from package 9. Public static void main string here yes is the end of the main. Now we can create the object of example 8. So example 8 the class name, and we can create the object name, suppose ex8 equal to new example 8. There is no constructor, so just example 8. Now we can create you can call the member ex8 dot factorial, and suppose the value is 5. এখানে তোমরা এখানে ইনপুট নিতে পারো স্ক্যানার করে, এখানে ডাইরেক্টলি আমি 5 দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, তো ইট উইল পাস টু দ্য n. এখানে আমরা 5 পাস করছি, ওটা ওই প্যাকেজের মধ্যে চলে ফাংশন মেথডে চলে যাবে, সেখানে গিয়ে এনে ভ্যালুটা ক্যালকুলেট হবে, রিটার্ন হয়ে চলে আসবে। ওসকো উই নিড এ রিটার্ন ভ্যালু, সো উই নিড long int, suppose return value is r is the long int data type. Now just display the value, that is system.out.println result of factorial is plus r, and this is the end of the main, and this is the end of the class. Now we can run the compile the Java program, Java C we can compile Java C example 9.java. Definitely there is a -d dot, this is automatic, you have to write this one also. Java C before after Java C there is a space, then -d dot example in the current directory. Then run the Java program, Java example 9. It will shows the output result of factorial is result of factorial. It will show the result of factorial is 120, because the value of 5 is factorial of 5 is 120, so it will shows 120. So this is a simple example through which we can create a package, and within the package there is a factorial program method, and we can call the method from this package. This is package 9. We can import the package, and after importing the package we can use the factorial we can use the factorial method, and value is 5. Then এই 5টা পাস হয়ে যাবে এই প্যাকেজে, so it will n equal to 5, n will be 5, and after calculating the result it return the value to the calling function. That is the calling function is the here main is the calling function, and the calling class is example 9. So in this way you can create one package and use another package use from another package. So this is the simple example. In this way we can create any program, any interface within a package.